There's no alignment whatsoever. Yesterday, the Isobo Jack, who happened to be the president of the Boys Company of Nigeria, which I'm a member, I'm a founding member of the club, had his 60th birthday and invited, and I was coming from Okrika, I went for Fedora, and there was a time frame for the party, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. When I got in there, at about 6 o'clock, as I walked into the hall, I saw a group of people, I saw the minister, I saw a few other persons, and I shook a few of them, and some of them said, look, why? Say hi to the Honorable Minister. I said, no, there's no, we don't flow at all. End of the day, because I want to be a gentleman, I just shake everybody. When I get to say, we started yapping and all that. And, I noticed that this was, and I said to him, now I'm talking to you, tomorrow morning, these pictures will trend all over the place that I'm doing. And I said it clearly to Chief Imayam, I'm a member of Rotimi political family, and I remain firm with Rotimi Amaechi. And as a civilized person, if I get to an environment where I see people that probably by the grace of God, they are, I should be able to send pleasure, not to just to yell at them or quarrel at them and walk away at them. I don't think that's, for me, I'll still remember where I belong in politics. And anybody who knows me that I would never, which is not an option for me at all in politics. Is that an option? I've said a time with that man, I can't work with him because we don't have the same style. And I have integrity to protect. I want people at the end of the day to say, where is this young man coming from? I have integrity, and I've given that to all my colleagues who are here. We remain firm with Rotimi Amaechi. I did not go there for any political meeting. If you look at the thing that trending on, they say, we had a meeting in Baron Piggy's village and all that. I have not been to that area before. I went for a funeral. The MD of it buried his wife's grandmother yesterday in Okrika. From there straight to that place. And I didn't know that the minister would be there. And you don't expect me to go to some minister that should run away. Is he God? But I don't have anything to do with him. Clearly. And I want the whole world to know that I don't have any affiliation with him. I don't have any political meeting with him.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.